Hi, it's A. Good morning. Today we'll talk about wall reveals by wall structure. By select the wall and go to properties, edit type, or type properties from here. Structure, edit. We have here sweeps and reveals. To activate it, we have to press preview and we have to select section from here. Now it's activated. We can go to reveals and add our new reveal. We can add one and apply to see it. It will be here. We can check it from here. It's not clear. We can edit it from edit structure, reveal. We can change its distance to be 1 meter from base. Apply. It will be like this, and it will go to all walls with this type. Can edit it. We can make it 1 meter from top, but we have to make it minus 1 meter. Apply. It will be 1 meter from top. It will be like this. We can change it. We can change profile from here. Select any type of this type. You can select the wall and edit reveal from here. You can select other types. We can put it at exterior side or interior side, but I will put it on the exterior side. We can make offset from the wall. It will go in the wall. We can change it to 0.05. It will be deeper. We can add more reveals by press this one and make duplicate. We can change its distance from top -2 and make other from base. Will be like this in all walls with this type. We select the type with which we edit it. We can also make our custom profile by make a new family, file new family, and select profile family from templates, metric profile, and draw our profile. We have to make it closed profile. We start at point and end at it to make this profile. We have to save it to to make it easy to find it at our project. Now we can select our wall and edit it and go to Reveals and select the profile. Every one of these, if I select it, it will be highlighted here to edit it. We can now select the profile and select our new profile with its name. We can make it 0 as offset. It will be like this. We can change our profile to be something like this. And load into project. It will be overwritten. Sorry. We can go to our profile and we can mirror it like this and load into our project. It will be something like this. I hope it's easy and simple to do. See you next video.